Welcome. If you want to set up Face Unlock on your CUBOT X19, at the first you have to go for the settings, move to the security and location, click on the Face Unlock, and then click to enroll face. Input your currently logged method, read the description, and just start. Read it one more time, click OK. And as you can see, we have to keep our face in the circle. Of course, we have to keep our face a little bit closer to the phone, so I'm going to do this right now. Let's try one more time. And as you can see right now, it's finished. So we can simply use the unlock screen option, of course. So it's very important to activate this one, because without this function we are not going to unlock our device with the face automatically. After the recognize, we have to swipe with our finger, so just activate this option, and then when we lock the device, as you can see, it's unlocked. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.